This started as random sticks from the forest. And I wanted to turn it into a proper log cabin.
We found enough sticks.
Which means everything has to line up. In my future I want to build a real one, but for now a mini version will have to do. I started by collecting material that could actually work. Same thickness, similar shape. At first I used a small cutter, but I had to switch to something faster.
This way will take forever. So, let's get my pocket knife again. Pocket knife found. Now let's get some sticks.
Speed matters, but consistency matters more. So we're back home and we're gonna take the bark off these sticks. This time using a real pocket knife. So every piece needs adjustment. If you skip this part, it will show later. It gives such an enormous mess. I'll show you what I got in mind. In part 2 of this build, we're gonna focus on the roof and other details. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss how this is gonna look in the end. I started with the base. And this is where everything is decided. If this is clean, the rest becomes easier. With natural wood, nothing is perfectly straight. With some heat you can still straighten these sticks. But be careful, they can be hot. And this is where everything is decided. If this is clean, the rest becomes easier. If it's not, you can carry that mistake the entire build. So this part is slower on purpose. Once the base is right, it becomes a rhythm. Layer by layer, keeping everything aligned. Small differences don't look like much, until they start stacking up. At this point, it starts to take shape. You can see the structure forming. But this is still the easy part. This is where details start to matter. Adding a window changes the entire look. and it has to fit exactly. Because this is not something you can fix later. Now the structure is there. Everything is starting to come together. But this is just the base of the build. Up to this point, everything was straightforward. The roof is where it actually becomes a build, because now angles matter. And this part needed more than just stacking sticks, so that's what I focused on next. In part 2 we're gonna finish the structure, so be sure to like and subscribe to Hobby John Doe.